Good job, Cece. Ooh. Get it, crawl forward a little more. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, do you want to keep going up the other stairs? Here, come over here. Come over here. Come here. Come on. Try again. There you go. Good job. Good recovery. Yeah, do you have the egg? Yeah, good job. Good job. Yeah, you want to keep going? It's not really a place to sit. Do you want to stop? All right, we'll stop.